there, and thanks for stumbling onto the channel. I'm going to give a review on this Keepall 45. This was pre-loved to me. It is 1991. It does not have the bandolier, so it doesn't have the stripe that goes down here with the 2 D-rings for your long strap. But I do have a strap that's very close to this same color, and I just clip it on this front bar and on the back handlebar, and therefore I have a strap when I do carry this on a plane. I just have a big king-size blanket stuffed in here to keep its shape when it's being stored. It came with a luggage tag, and that's just kind of a belt loop that's on there. It also came with the strap for your handles. You undo this one and put both your handles in there to keep your handles together. It came with a lock and only 1 key. There's just a big old blanket in there. Now, this zipper does get a little sticky, so what I do is grab wax paper out of the kitchen, and then I rub wax paper across the top and on the inside of the zipper, and that makes this run a lot smoother. So even though I only use this when I'm traveling, I will run wax paper when it's time to use this. Okay, it has the 2 tabs are still intact on both sides of this 1991. The handles have a lot of scratches and dirt on them from it being used, but I love that about this. Love that it's been used and it's not just something that was sitting in someone's closet. Now, with luggage with Louis Vuitton, this is a canvas piece that is 1 sheet that they've wrapped around and then has 2 pieces of sewn in on the corners. So when you're looking at a Louis Vuitton, one side's going to have the LVs upside down, and so you won't see any seams on the bottom on a Keepall 45. Okay. Something else about a Keepall 45 is with this size, it's easy to take this on a weekend anywhere, because it is a handy dandy piece of luggage. The 45 is centimeters. Now, I'm here in America, so centimeters and inches are different. 45 inches, or excuse me, centimeters is going to be 18 inches long across the bottom. That's your inches. 18. The height is 10, and it's 8 across here. So it's a pretty good size. Holds a ton of stuff. Very easy to take a weekend trip and have absolutely everything you need in this one bag for me. I would have my change of clothes, the toiletries. You can even put your hair dryer, curling iron, all that stuff in here. You just have to be careful with how much weight it is because it's heavy to carry. But I do love this piece. I got a great bargain from, what was her name? Smart Mademoiselle off of eBay. Answered all my questions. She was very kind, and then when she shipped this to me, she stuck a little cute little note in the package. There's an unboxing video of this when I did get it years ago, and that's in the description box if you're curious and want to watch that. And that's it. This is a Keepall 45. $19.91. Now, 1991, the letters made in France. They're very worn. Again, this has been used, okay? This is not a piece of luggage that was just sitting in someone's closet. This has been used a lot. So, throwing things in and out. And these leather tabs have gotten worn, but that definitely says made in France. And one of these tabs here says Louis Vuitton. And let's see, it says SP 0921. 0921. So the first number and the third number, that's 02. That means that's February. And the 9 and the 1 means 1991. When you get pieces of Louis Vuittons from the 80s, their date codes are going to be completely different than the way that they started it in 90s and the 2000s. So go to the internet, check it out, figure out how to read date codes when it comes to your vintage pieces of Louis Vuitton. And the luggage tag, that's where I saw it. Made in France was on this luggage tag. And Louis Vuitton was here on the front. This one says Louis Vuitton. Oh, made in France is on the back side of this tag too. So, thanks for watching, you guys. At least now you know the sizes and centimeters and inches on a Keepall 45. Thanks for watching. You guys have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.